Hey, it's Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. This is the last part series on a 4-part series of 2006 Honda Accord. This is my mother-in-law's car. It's Honda Accord EX 2.4 liter. If you haven't already, check out those videos on how to replace the starter, which I did that. Changed the serpentine belt. Changed all 4 rotors. And because we messed with the starter, we disconnected the starter. The clock is flashing, so let's figure out the code for that. Usually it's in the glove box right about there, and it's written, but it's all smudged up, so nothing there. And sometimes on the side of this glove box here on the opposite side, which I took a look, but luckily it's in your code book, so you can go to one of these books here that came with the car. If you don't have this car, you have to call the dealership. They're gonna ask for your VIN number and to confirm that the car is not stolen. That way you read your radio code. But lucky for this book, the radio code is right in front. There it is. Perfect. So we'll enter that in. So it's flashing right now. I'll make a video on the update on the 2007 and up Honda issue with the navigation and the clock being off and the year being off. I'll make a video on that and how to fix that. But this one is pretty simple. There's no navigation in it, which is a good thing. And then we're going to punch in our code 123 12313. Enter. Where is? Turn the power on first. 1 2 3 1 3. All right, we're back in business. Radio's back on, but the clock is off. I'll shut this off. It's kind of hot here. So the clock, we're gonna hit sound. It actually says clock here, so. And then we're gonna go. This will be hours and minutes. Hours, minutes. So let's go. What time is it? So it's about 10:55 Eastern time. I'm gonna hit this sound button. It beeps. So 10:55. 55. Let's do 56. Hit clock it in. All right, we're in business. All right, this I know is a short video. I don't know if I can do this under 1 minute. Probably throw up under YouTube Shorts. Otherwise, if it's a little over a minute, so we have it. All right, if you like the channel, give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, like make that bell turn blue. That way you know when I upload new content. All right, till next time. Boom. Yeah, clock's back in business.